Security dog here. I don't want to go. Yes, it's Chinese restaurant already closed. It's good grocery. G-Mart name. Seafood Gong Gong ресторан. Senia Hotel. It's good hotel. It's already condition is not good. It's also duty free. Hi everyone. I'm in the Clark now. I want to show to you abandoned hospital. Also some abandoned hotel, abandoned casino. I will walk few kilometers and will show to you. Most of bloggers not show to you this video because it's so far and some of don't know places. But I will show to you. It's abandoned hospital, so I show to you everything in this place, in the Clark and in Pure Gold duty free also. It's very popular place. I park my car in McDonald's parking. This is McDonald's Clark. Usually at evening many people eat inside because it's 24 hours working. And also you can buy here fruits. People sell fruits also. You see so many fruits. Hello. Hello. Okay. Yeah, 24 hours working. So first I will walk to the abandoned hospital. Most of the cars, it's Grab taxi parking here and waiting. Take a look, so many. Most of the cars is Grab. Drivers waiting here. This is market. But close, maybe not, don't have people. You see, it's a papaya. Papaya tree. This is a market for workers who work in the Clark nearby. Also taxi drivers. Taxi drivers Grab waiting here. That's why they can eat here. We see street foods. Not so many, but have street foods. You can buy. But weekend many open here. Only right now close. You can clean your hand here. Water. Also this is papaya tree. You see. Hi. No, thank you. Oh, cats. National Museum, Philippines, Clark. Security dog here. I don't want to go. Hello. Excuse me, can I ask you? Oh, he cannot see. He cannot hear me. You see, this is museum. National Museum in the Philippines. I can ask security not go inside again. You see contract cost, how many peso. It started only January 30. Before contract cost is this in 23 and now increase price. People also clean the car. I don't know when it's finished. Museum. But I cannot see workers inside. Only security. Hello. Do you know about this hospital, abandoned hospital? Don't have work right now. Have workers. Workers have. Okay. Thank you.
Working inside.
Inside. Do you know when it's finished already? When? After 1 year, 2 years?
I don't know, sir. But I guess it's only 1 year.
After 1 year, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. After 1 year, I come back. Okay, thank you very much.
Where are you from?
I'm from Russia, but I live in Mabalakat.
Bloggers?
Yes, I try to take video.
Okay. Good, that's good.
Thank you. So you already know, maybe after 1 year, so next year, July, I come back and take a look again. Very close. Marriott Hotel, Swiss Hotel also. Also have parking. Who work in hotel or company. Jeepney. Pinatubo терминал, Clark терминал. Many abandoned houses here. Before it's duty free. Abandoned already long time ago. We're already near Pure Gold duty free. Also Chinese restaurant there. And this is manufacturer, I don't know name, correct name, CAE. Look like Chinese restaurant already closed. Xiaohuoban restaurant. Yeah, I think close. Also people sales also vegetable, fruits here, mango. I don't know what is fruits, I don't know name. Yes, it's Chinese restaurant already close, and I think close long time. Good afternoon. This is parking of Pure Gold duty free. You can park here. Yeah.
Wanna buy avocado?
No, thank you. It's avocado.
Avocado,
But
yeah.
I want to walk only, don't want to hold so many.
Hey, no more rest in the mountain.
Before I give money here, 500 peso, and they said give me more money, because we don't have work in the mountain. But Shira talk already with this woman, we remember. You. Most of families work in jeepney drivers. Or tricycle drivers also. Also have Adidas 40% low price. But inside not allowed to take video. Also here sales avocado. It's avocado already know. Because I drink juice before avocado, but how to looking avocado, I don't know. This is main entrance of Pure Gold Duty Free. You see, working from 7 to from 10 to 7 p.m. Okay, I check first Pure Gold, check Adidas. This is cannot buy fruits here, only in the market. But we continue sales fruits here. You see so many people who sell avocado. This is avocado. Avocado also papaya have. They say. Also banana. Okay. You see guayabana, banana. You see so many. So I will go to Adidas and check if really it's 40% or not. But I cannot filming inside because inside not allowed. I can put camera. I put camera to my back now. So I asked it already in the store. They say at the end of the month have discount. But now 1st of July don't have discount. They say it only end of the month you can come and take with discount. Maybe they say it maybe in the middle of the month also. But first of the month don't have any discount. But not so many things in Adidas. Now I will show to you Korean grocery. I already filming inside. It's good grocery. G-Mart name. Open. What is open? I don't know. It's a restaurant. Restaurant open. And most of the restaurant, seafood restaurant already closed. Seafood restaurant is good before it's good restaurant. Even bank close also. And before what name? It's massage, Thai massage. Thai massage close also. What about Gong Kong seafood restaurant? Chinese hot pot also close. Barbecue also close. Oh, Hong Kong restaurant open. Still open. Seafood Hong Kong restaurant. Have parking. It's good. Yeah, good. Land bank also close. So many abandoned. But another side, they built some house. Take a look. This is like Windham Garden. Windham Garden. It's big building. Okay, I will look. Don't have cars. Here is apartments, also restaurants. This is Clark Fire Station. Have also near park the same. Take a look. When I saw, I shocked really because maybe 1.5 years I've been in this casino, in this hotel. Many people play in casino. Also, hotel is full booking. Good hotel. And now, take a look. Already closed. From September 5 last year, already closed. Senia Hotel is good hotel. They start open February 12 only. And now already closed. Only security here. Only. Parking everywhere, all closed. Also this building before it's duty free. I remember I walked inside maybe 6 years ago. So many people also, we can go to this mall. RCBC Bank. Also abandoned already long time. During COVID time they close. Take a look with Senia hotels. It's good hotel. And this also. But I remember walk here, so many trees, but now they clean already. I don't know for why. Maybe because not good looking, that's why they clean here. Yeah, workers clean here. Before it's so dirty, now already clean, good. Yeah, it's better. Hi. But why you clean? Because someone want to rent or you don't know? Someone want rent. Okay. Thank you. That's why they clean now. Maybe someone want to rent here. This is. Maybe not. Maybe I think maybe they don't know. Who can rent here? It's already condition is not good. It's also duty free. Before duty free, parks on duty free. Good silent place. I like this place, but abandoned everywhere. Deco Central. I filming before. Still open, but another side of the building already closed. But it's good place for jogging here, morning time. Who live in the Clark is good. Fresh air, don't have many cars. I know some of our subscribers live here and every morning jogging here. And now I come back to McDonald's Yes, CM Recto. Clark Recto. Yeah, this is place already more clean. This is name Liberty Plaza.